Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look at my shop today. It's Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. I should be camping, having fun. And what am I doing? Working on 2010 Subaru Forester X. Battery on charger overnight. That car is in the pieces. Here you can see that there's the cherry picker. All the tools. Hopefully I will remember what was where. Refretting the bolts just to put that engine correctly back to the transmission when I was removing it. The bolts were one of them. This one was bad actually. I had to recut the threads. When I was removing this engine, it didn't want to split on the double pins. It was rusted. But the video is, do you want to be a millionaire? And I will give you a recipe how to become quickly a millionaire. You see, working on these Subarus, learning them for the last 2 years, I realized these things are made to fail. This is the opposite of Toyota. Toyota is made to last, and they really do. And it's mainly the engine, but it's not just the engine. All these wheel bearings, all the time, there's guaranteed income for someone who wants to commit to this company. So, how you become a millionaire? Very simple. If you are a younger person, there is a shortage of Subaru techs. Mr. Subaru and some numbers, right, YouTuber, he made a video about it. There's so many cars all the time broken that they don't even have enough techs. So number one, you will go ranch and learn everything from the Subaru dealer. You will be working in the team. There's a lot of master techs. They know absolutely everything from inside out. They have it in their head. You will always go asking. You will learn from them. That it's depending on you. 2, 4, maximum 5 years you will be in that environment, and you will know these cars also from inside out. After that you will say goodbye. I learned enough. Now it's time for myself. You will find a place which is bigger than mine. This is way too small, and I don't have outside behind this door. There's not really parking lot where I can park all this trash when it's engine being yanked out, removed, being rebuilt, waiting for the parts, waiting for the machine shop, deal with the heads. Here you can see them, how cute they are. All of that you need a place which has also a lot to store these cars while they bringing you income. And this is the difference between Toyota and Subaru. Subaru, just those head gaskets which are basically failing guaranteed. And you think you are looking on EJ253, ha ha ha, the newer FBs, it didn't happen. No, it's not true. They keep going too. They have actually another problems which are extremely costly too. Oh, I didn't mention the cost. Well, this smallest item here, if you want this head gasket, just the head gasket, you didn't overheat it, you didn't damage anything. They just started leaking coolant and oil. The smallest item is $3,500. Pa-pow! Did you hear that? That's the cheapest thing. I had offered here 2014 or 17 Subaru Forester. That engine had like 100,000 miles. That engine blew up. Not by the heat. That engine just stopped working. It started smoking and failed. Well, guess what was the ticket for replacement? Subaru looked at it and said, we will bring you the part of the engine, just the very basic, the short block, you will get new. Everything else we will recycle, what can be recycled, from your old engine. Well, we cannot tell you exactly how much it will cost right now, but we will give you idea. It will be $7,000 to $11,000. Did you hear that? just to remove that engine, spend some money on the short block, and some guy you will hire for very little money. He will be sitting just at the one wall in his station. He will doing one engine after another, because all of them fail. That will be your ticket. You will be just doing ta-town, ta-town, because all these cars, especially here in Northern California, they're so popular. The concept is great. It's a four-wheel drive vehicle with four-cylinder engine. The absolute weakness is that boxer engine, and they never fix that. To me, what I learned, it feels it's made to fail. It's made to bring ginormous income to the repair shops. I believe if you invest 4 years at the dealer or shorter, then you open your own shop, as I said, with the larger space than I have, and you focus only on Subaru. You will not mess up with other brands. You can be, within 10 years, millionaires or multi-millionaires. And here, this is the ticket. This bad design of this boxer engine. And I will not compete with you. I'm not interested in that. I'm actually making change in my shop, focusing on Toyotas, focusing on making great content for you for this YouTube channel. So I don't mind give this info to anybody who is willing to work hard, but after I will say after 10 years, multi-millionaire. Could be. This is absolute real possibility. These cars are the ticket. Do you see that aura which is above my head? Do you see that? Picture yourself if you are willing to do that. You will be the best specialist in the town, doing the best work and making most money. It's absolutely guaranteed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Find it interesting or just entertaining. I don't care, but I honestly think this brand is golden ticket for someone who's younger and is willing to do the hard work to become a millionaire. Please comment, right? Share your opinions underneath the video in the comments. And make sure you have subscribed. I will keep bringing you Toyota content very soon again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.